Hi, today I'm for the Oppo A57s and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sound and vibration. Here we'll see the ringtone volume panel. Just to mute ringtone we should hold and slide to the left side this dot. Also we have one more way how we can do that. Just first in advanced settings, click here to volume button function and be sure that you have selected here ringtone volume. Now just let's go back here and just by press to the down volume button on the left side of our phone, we will mute our device ringtone. Also we can make it by the third way just by slide to the down this volume panel. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.